Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this event organized by Bloomberg UTV in association with SAP. At the onset, apologies for the delay. My name is Sharon Lobo and I'm part of the editorial team of Bloomberg UTV. Bloomberg UTV, owned by UTV News Limited, is India's premier business news channel that provides world-class financial news. Our sponsors for this evening, SAP India, is the fastest growing subsidiary of SAP AG, the world's leading provider of business software. Over the last 11 years, SAP has been the undisputed market leader in the Indian enterprise. In August 2006, the company was the first enterprise software vendor in India to cross 1,000 customer mark. This evening, we'll touch upon the topic of supply chain management with this event titled Transforming Logistics Through Supply Chain Execution Convergence. In the near future, it will be imperative for organizations to rethink their operating models and logistics strategy in the wake of the economic uncertainty and changing market dynamics. Today in this event, through the three presentations and the panel discussion, the takeaway that we'll take are strategies to move faster, leaner and simpler, global best practices and case studies, an enabling solution of the future. With this, I would like to call upon Mr. Neeraj Atre, Head Strategic Solutions, SAP, to give a keynote. Neeraj is responsible for taking SAP's line of business solutions to the market while collaborating with on-premise, on-demand and on-device teams to drive market share growth and customer intimacy across key industries. Neeraj has been associated with SAP for over 10 years, having held leadership roles in solution engineering, sales and business development. With this, I welcome Neeraj on the dais.
I'm sure you'll find it very educating and you'll get to learn a few new ideas probably here which you can take back to your organizations. So I've been with SAP for almost 10 years now and I've worked with some of you here in this room deploying solutions, whether they are supply chain solutions, execution of planning, doesn't really matter. We've worked together in warehousing, we've worked together in RFID, order tracking, so many other areas of the overall supply chain. Today I thought for this particular topic I have chosen transportation more as the focus area of my session, or a keynote session as we call it. So transportation and logistics is a strategic play for SAP, and the reason why we say this is because a lot of our customers have taught us what supply chain really is, and we have brought all that knowledge into various products that we offer to you. If you look at shoe manufacturers, more than 86% of the shoes worldwide are made by SAP customers, whether it's Adidas, Nike, so many of them. 70% of chocolate worldwide is made by SAP customers who have deployed various solutions of SAP. 50% of the branded jeans worldwide are made by customers who are using SAP. 9 million tons of cheese is made by customers who are using SAP. More than 72% of the beer production worldwide, which probably some of which we'll be tasting today evening, is made by SAP customers. 77,000 cars per day. So whether it's Porsche, whether it's Tata Motors, whether it's Mahindra's, General Motors, so many of them. So all these customers across industries, and there are 25 of them, pharma, CPG, healthcare, automotive, high-tech, engineering and construction, industrial machinery and components. A lot of these customers who have been best in their domains have taught us what supply chain really is. And that's the value that we bring to the table. All of this has to be transported and stored. So whether it's cheese, footwear, music systems, and that's where, as I said, the whole logistics knowledge comes from. In India specifically, this topic is very relevant, and that's one of the reasons why we all have gathered here today. It's because it's gaining more and more importance. India logistics costs roughly about $100 billion US dollars. 6.2% of India's GDP. That's what it amounts to. And all this is growing at around 10% CAGR. So logistics is a huge market. That's a huge market too, and that's what a lot of you are tapping into. That's where we are very keen to offer solutions. SAP as an organization has made some strategic investments. Given the fact that logistics is taking relevance and importance, we have also made a lot of investments in this space. Across retail, consumer products, discrete, process, across all these industries. So apart from a few solutions, transportation has been a core investment solution for us. So where have we invested? We've invested because we want to come up with a solution which is probably best in class, a solution that has all those nuts and bolts which you will need to run a very optimized supply chain and logistics business. We've come a long way. I mean, some of you who've been with us from maybe the early 90s to 2011 where we are today, some of you would have used the R3 system or even R2 system for that matter, which had a warehousing solution. That's where we actually started with the bins and the quants and all that stuff. Then we went ahead with the next version, which came up with extended warehouse management. We took from the warehouse, we went to the dock doors, and we went to the parking lots, and we went to the yards and the parking areas. So that's where extended warehouse came in. Then we went into advanced warehousing management, where we started integrating SAP with a lot of the warehousing technologies, barcode readers, RFIDs. We started mapping the internal warehouse and the movement of forklifts and things like that. So we went ahead with the next version. And now we are today with the latest version of what we call SAP TM, or Transportation Management, some of which you will get a chance to see today. Sunil and the team will showcase a couple of these things to you, maybe a preview. So SAP has come a long way from 1994, where the first supply chain solution was launched, to 2011, where we have the transportation solution available. These investments we have done over different parts of the logistics value chain. So in 2011, today the solution is relevant for shippers. As we add more and more features and functions and knowledge into that solution, it will become relevant for freight forwarders. Then it will move on to contract logistics and rail carriers. A lot of this functionality, by the way, is there today in the core itself. But these are areas where we enhance those functions. HANA, which is one of our new, I would say, innovations, high analytics, high-end analytics is what it does. So real time, as SAP calls it, you have a lot of information which then moves to a bucket called business warehouse, and from where you get reports. That's history now. With HANA, you actually have reports, alerts, messages at a very near real-time speed. So 3-4 areas where SAP is investing for the logistics and transportation business: mobility, analytics, integration, and obviously our focus on total cost of ownership. If you look at mobility today, the number of mobile connections that India adds every day, the different pads ranging from a 30,000 iPad to a maybe 5,000 HCL ME pad, the availability of devices has gone up. What it has also done is it has simplified the way people interact with complex applications. Yeah. So transportation management, while it's a complex subject in itself, an end user can access bits and pieces of their processes through various handheld devices. And SAP is investing extensively in this. So our unwired platform, as we call it, something that allows anybody who's got maybe a BlackBerry or maybe an iPhone or maybe some of those newer, cheaper mobiles that are available, connecting it directly to the SAP system in a very secure way, allowing you to create transport orders, allowing you to maybe fill up shipping notifications, various things. So SAP standard mobile solutions are there for warehouses, so picking, packing, over a voice. If you're a forklift driver and he has got a voice enabled handheld, he can speak over the phone and actually confirm orders, pick multiple